Hello and good morning, all of you. Today we will start the exercise 10.5. So, the question number 1 is Rahil's favorite television show starts at 4:30 p.m. If he gets home from school at 3 p.m., how long does he have until the show starts? That means how long he has to wait until the show starts. So the show starts at 4:30 p.m. and he gets home from school at 3 p.m. So what is the difference between these timings? So you have to minus the timings. So television show starts at 4:30 p.m. and Rahil comes home from school at 3 p.m. So what to do? You have to minus the timings. So it is what p.m. So it is 30, 4 minus 3 1. So 1 hour 30 minutes. That means he has to wait 1 hour 30 minutes. Therefore the show starts after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Now the next question is B number. Neha applied for admission on Tuesday, July 4. She got admission a fortnight later. What is called fortnight? It is 2 weeks. That means 14 days. On which date she get the admission? Okay. So you have to count the number of days after 4 July. Okay. So how many days you have to count? A fortnight. Fortnight means 14 days. So July 4 plus 14 days. Then you'll get the date of the admission. Okay. Okay, see here. Neha applied for admission on Tuesday, July 4. One fortnight equal to 2 weeks equal to 14 days. So Neha got admission on July 4 plus 14 days. You have to add this 14 days. Then when you count this 14 days after 4 July, then it is coming 18 July. So this is the answer. Understood? Now the next question. Rashi exercises for 1.5 hours every day. How many minutes in total does she exercise in 7 days? Okay. So in one day you have to calculate how many minutes, then in 7 days total how many minutes. Okay. So here you have to write like this. In one day Rashi exercises 1.5 hours. So you have to convert these hours into minutes because the question is in minutes. So 1.5 hour means 1 hour and half hour mean 30 minutes. So you'll write like this: 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, like this you have to write. Then you have to convert this hour in minute. So in 1 hour how many minutes are there? There are 60 minutes. So you'll add 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. Okay, so 60 plus 30 is what? 90. So total is 90 minutes. So 1.5 hour means 90 minutes. Now in one day Rashi exercises 90 minutes. So in 7 days how many minutes? You have to multiply by 7. So in 7 days Rashi exercise equal to 7 into 90. And here it is minutes. So it is 7 9 63. So 6 3, here it is 0. So 630 minutes. Okay, understood? So this is the way of doing the question. So now next question, D number. The school opened 10 days after Mickey's birthday on June 21. So on which day did the school open? That means Mickey's birthday was on June 21. So after 10 days the school opened. So it is a very easy question. You have to count only 10 days after June 21. Okay. When you count 10 days after June 21, it is coming over 1st July. Okay. 1 July. So it is very easy question. So you do by your own. Now next 2 number question. Fill in the missing entries in the table. So here starting date given, duration given and finishing date given. So you have to calculate the finishing date. So 29 February, after 29 February you have to count 15 days. Then what is the date now? So count it. Okay, so 29 February and 15 days. After 15 days it is 14 March. From 18 November count 19 days, then it is coming as 6 December. Now C number is what? The starting date you have to find out. So duration is 60 days. So before you have to back count from 2 January. Okay, back count 60 days So question number C, you have to back count. So let's see how to write. So here you can see 2 January to 1 January, it is how many days? 2 days. Okay. Then back count, you have to back count. So 31 December to 1 December, it is 31 days. Okay. Now our how many days completed? 33 days completed. What is the total day? 60 was the total day. So you have to minus 33, then it is coming what? 7, 6 minus, it is 20. So we need more 27 days. So again we back count, then it is coming November. So 30 November to 4 November. Then it is coming 27 days. Okay. So when you total this, it is 60 days. So what was the starting date? 4 November. Okay. The starting date is 4 November. So in this way you have to find out the starting date by back counting. So 4 November. Okay. Now the D number question, you have to again find the starting date. So the finishing date is 5 June. So you have to back count 35 days. Okay, let's see. So here you will write the finishing date was 5 June. So you will write 5 June to 1 June. How many days? It is 5 days. Then we need 30 more days. So 30 before June it was May. So May is of 31 days. So you will start from 31 May to, we need 30 days only. So it is 31 days. So we will stop up to 2 May. So it is total 30 days. Okay. So now it is total 35 days coming. So what is the starting date? So starting date is 2 May. Okay. So this is the starting date, 2 May. Understood? In this way you have to back count. And the last question, again finishing date 25 December. So it's 7 days back of 25 December. It is coming 19 December. So it is very easy, directly you can count. So in this way our this exercise and this chapter is now complete, fully complete. So you start revision of your all the chapters for your exam. Okay. So if you have any doubt, then please ask me. Okay, thank you.